Welcome to Study Loop.
So it turns out there are a whole host of economic factors that affect why men and women get paid different amounts in aggregate. For doing the exact same work, it turns out they get paid the exact same amount. But if you just look at the total amount of wages that are earned by men and the total amount of wages that are earned by women, so WM and WW, it turns out these are very, very different. All right. For a lot of reasons. One reason is because men tend to have more dangerous jobs. Men, it turns out, comprise almost all workplace deaths. Well over 90% of deaths in the workplace are male, not female. And if you're in a job that's more likely to cause you harm or even death, you tend to get paid more. On top of that, many jobs such as construction, garbage collection, these are jobs that require a certain amount of strength, let's say, that women choose not to do. All right. On top of that, men also tend to work more hours than women do on average. Now, sometimes you'll have a woman who works more hours than the typical man, but that's uncommon. It's much more common that men work more hours than women. Men also tend to have much more uninterrupted careers. So women very often will take a few years off from the labor force. Men, on the other hand, tend not to do that. Men tend to have continuous careers. Again, there are a whole host of other factors, but these are just a few that go into why male wages and female wages in aggregate are not going to be the same.